Hello and welcome everybody to the channel. This is Paul speaking from Jap-Auto-Agent. Today we've got a Toyota Camry, a 2016 Toyota Camry. This is a 2.5 hybrid and front wheel drive, so all the way to the engine. In the front is over the driving wheels, which really is good traction instead of like a BMW, which can't get any traction at all. It's rear wheel drive. That's a big advantage to these cars. As you can see, it's pearl white. It's a good size roomy 5-seater 4-door saloon car with good boot space. Comes with 2 keys. This vehicle has only done 27,000 miles, 44 I think it is, 44,000 kilometres. Well appointed, hybrid car, good economical car, great in built up areas in traffic. So if anybody is interested in a car like this, it could be used for a taxi use, for example. Somebody could use it as a I don't know, Uber taxi or whatever, or just a good size family 4-door saloon. I think it will get something like 35-40 to the gallon. So if anybody's interested in something like this, I provide an opportunity to buy these cars direct from Japan at the export trade price. This vehicle is 120,000 Japanese yen FOB. FOB means the cost of the vehicle loaded onto the ship in the Japanese port as the ship leaves bound for the UK. And the total cost of this car on the road in the UK will be somewhere in the region of 13,400 UK pounds. So as you can see, it's nice and fresh. It looks like a non-smoker's car. The shape of the seats is perfect. In other words, the car looks the mileage. It's not a car that looks like it's been dressed up to look better than it is. It is exactly what it sort of says on the tin. No accident damage, very clean under the bonnet, no evidence of any accident repairs. So anyone who'd be interested in a car like this, contact me and I will explain and take you through the whole process of how to buy the car from Japan, import it into the UK, pay all the duties and the VAT, and get it on the road registered. So get in touch with me. My name's Paul. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@japautoagent.com.